Why believing what you are seeking is also seeking you is so important in attracting your ex back. Rumi, a 13th century poet and scholar, coined this famous quote, which basically means that whatever it is that you're looking for and truly desire is not only looking for you and desiring you, but that the laws of nature are always working in full force to deliver it to you. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel created exclusively for you to help you navigate through the challenges which often accompany a breakup. Many of you know me not as Coach Abby, yet by my passion for the law of attraction. So much so that I created a product titled The Law of Attraction in Love, available in the link below. When Rumi referred to what you are seeking as seeking you in the 13th century, he is saying that if you desire something, you plant the desire into the universe, and the laws of nature work together to make it happen for you through a process commonly known as manifestation. Though I talk in detail regarding manifestation in the seminar below, the purpose of this video is to focus on three simple things to remember regarding manifesting your ex back. Number one, meditation. Now, meditation serves several purposes, mainly to clear out your mind and allow your clarity of what you wish to manifest. It serves to set an intention of what you truly want, and with it allows you to embrace an inner joy which accompanies the thought of having that which you desire. This is what creates the positive energy frequency we are looking for to connect with the universe. Number two, surrendering the intention to the universe. When you believe in something, it is easy to detach from its outcome. It doesn't imply a lack of participation. Actually, it resonates with the saying, do your best and God will do the rest. It's believing in the power of God, the universe, your higher power, whatever feels familiar to you. It's the ultimate example of faith, playing itself out, allowing yourself to detach from the outcome. And number three, put aside limited beliefs. This is probably the biggest obstacle we have in successfully manifesting. Our mind is such a powerful tool. It creates problems and solutions, and in reality, they're both hypotheticals, as the problems and solutions are influenced by our limited perspective. And if this isn't enough, fear of losing them forever, of not being able to reattract them, or of not being good enough ushers in more self-inflicted obstacles, leading us to feel defeated and hopeless. We cannot expect to align ourselves with positive outcome with negative energy. Remember that worrying is a prayer for chaos. Let me repeat that. Worrying is a prayer for chaos. Just take your hand off the wheel and pray for the highest good for all, not of just what we want. You must believe that the universe has your back. There are obviously many components to support the quote of what you seek is seeking you, further expressed in the process of visualization. It is the closest you will ever feel to the actual outcome you are looking for. Visualize your desire as if it already happened. Challenge yourself and visualize your ideal life. And trust. You got to trust that the universe is making it happen. There is such comfort in thinking and really believing that what you are seeking is seeking you. And, obviously you might say, Abby, once again, we're in La La Land. No, we're not. It's, in life, when we create a 5-year plan, let's put it this way, how much more black and white could that be? But it's all based on hypothetical. It's all based on our potential. It's not factual. A lot of things can happen. When we believe, when we decide, when it is our intention to really, really believe that that which we seek is seeking us, everything can happen. We are literally making it part of our 5-year plan. It's there. You must create that, what I refer to, factual illusion. Allow it to work for you. It removes the worry. It removes the doubt. It is something that you can literally visualize. And when you honestly say to yourself, wow, it's looking for me too. It just makes it so much easier to believe. I invite you to book a session with me so we can dive deeper into not only these three elements towards manifestation, but to help you connect the dots of that which you are seeking and its influence on its seeking you. Please hit the subscribe button below and share your comments on this or any other video, and I will respond in a timely fashion. Once again, I invite you to check out my new release seminar focusing on the law of attraction in the link below. I am so overly pleased by the amazing reception it has received. Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Danny, Coach Priyanka, and myself, we are available to assist you in any way we can. Let us help you focus on creating that particular roadmap uniquely designed for you for the purpose of maximizing your chances to get your love back, while at the same time realizing that that which you are looking for, that which you are seeking, is seeking you too. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.